HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was invented in 1993 by this Giga Chad named Tim Berners-Lee. Now open VS Code and create a file with .html at the end of its name. Now type an exclamatory sign and the doc type declaration is an instruction to the web browser about what version of HTML the page is written in. Now below that there is a body tag which defines the body of our document. In the body tag we write everything which includes the heading tag, p tag and the list goes on. When you open a tag you must close it, but of course we have exceptions too. Now let's start with the heading tag. There are 6 types of headings and these are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Let's type something and see how they look in the browser. This is how it is going to look in the browser. Remember, the smaller the number is, the bigger the text would be. What comes next is a p tag. P tag is used to write paragraph in HTML. Type P in the VS Code and it will show you the suggestion. Now press enter and write your paragraph. And this is how the text will be displayed in the browser. Let's say you want to change the color of p tag. Type style over here and then type the desired property and give it a value. And here is the result. Use b tag to make the text bold and use I tag to make the text italic. And the list goes on. In order to use images, type img tag and press enter. Type the location of your image and it will be shown in the browser. Now in order to make a form, use label tag. Type the text in between and for input field use input tag. If you type text over here, the input will be taken as a text. If you type password over here, the input will be taken as a password. Now the entities, write this for less than sign and write this for greater than sign.